Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to pair a Bluetooth device to your DELL Latitude 5420 laptop. To do that, you just have to press the Start button, then go to the Settings, then select Bluetooth and Devices, then enable your Bluetooth by sliding this toggle to the right. Then select Add Device, pick Bluetooth, and wait for your device to appear on the list. You can additionally press Show All Devices if your device hasn't appeared yet. In my case, it would be my headphones. So I just press them and click Done. Now I can go to Devices, and as you can see, my headphones were successfully connected. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.